We're still here at Sawtooth Canyon. It's like 10:30 in the morning. Today's Sunday, so just had the time change last night. But the campsite's deserted again. Uma, relax, I'll be back. Sucky dog. Anyhow, yeah. So I couldn't believe it when I took Uma for a walk. I'm like, holy cow, everybody's left already. It wasn't cold last night. It was a nice night, so yeah. Go down the water here. So yeah, this was all covered in tents yesterday. Nothing. And all the climbers were out yesterday too. Yeah, what a cool place. I really like this campground. The BLM land, I guess. Yeah, really nice spot. I'll definitely come back here again, like I've already been. Yeah, we have a bunch of areas for the rocks down so people can't go in there. I guess they're trying to repair some areas. But yeah, nice spot. We're out of here tomorrow, heading to Palm Springs. Yeah. Got to reload on groceries, get a few things. And gonna stay in our Thousand Trails RV park there. What? Did you miss me? Did you miss me? Since I've been gone forever? Hi. Alright. So yeah, tomorrow morning, we're out of here. You want me under? Excuse me. Hi. You gonna let me under? Bed hug. Hey. Psst. Be a bed hug.
A new place, a new home, for a while, let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back, take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by, life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself.
Alright, made it to Palm Springs. Certainly nicer here. Somewhere around here is the something that I want to show you guys. Where is it? I took it down for a few years, but they put it back. Somewhere. Well, there it is. Alright. So, we're at the Palm Springs Art Museum. And, check this out. The 50-foot tall Marilyn Monroe. Pretty cool.
Cause I found my way, my way, my way, my way, my way. Cause I found my way, my way, my way, my way, my way. I found my way, I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way, I found my way.
glad I left Barstow when I did. It got pretty windy and rainy yesterday. So, yeah, I am now here in Palm Springs, California at the 1,000 Trails. I've been here, I think, every year that I've been doing videos for now. But, hi, Amy. How are you? She's a good girl. Yeah, I have a project to do. I have in here. This stuff. Foam weather seal. I'm hoping it's the right thickness. My Skylight's making a lot of wind noise on the highway and the road, and even noticed it last night in the wind. So I'm going to try and crawl up there. And see if I can get the seal fixed around here. Make it a little thicker or something, I don't know. See what I can do. Some of this stuff isn't quite as thick as the other stuff. I'm just hoping it's enough to give it a better seal around the trim. Does it come down on this? I gotta look to see what it comes down on. Hold on. Okay, yeah, so it comes down on this little plastic strip all the way around, which looks like it's right in the center. So I'm wondering, I'll just put a strip of this in the center. If that'll do the trick or what? I should probably clean this off first with some alcohol or something to make sure the stuff sticks. Okay, see if I can still get this closed before I do the whole thing. And that'll be a much better seal. Oof, something was too tight of a fit there. It's definitely got to be the back. See how it folded up here? Let's try removing that strip. I was wondering if that was going to be the problem because that one sits pretty flush. Ooh, I'm sweating. That one sits pretty flush. Let's try this again. There we go. So much better. I'm just kidding, I don't know. Gotta go for a drive first. Anyhow, hopefully that does the trick. Makes it a little quieter. Alright guys, well that's it. I have no results on the sunroof yet. Just been riding my e-bike everywhere to get groceries and so on. And yeah, just staying here for the rest of the weekend. And finally think I'm heading to Arizona. So yeah, it'll actually be my shush. It'll be my 5-year anniversary next week. So I'll probably be doing a video on that. Anyhow, guys, see you next time. Take care. Bye.